That's why they probably still doing it, just doing whatever the number sequence is. It's a phone number though.
That's not a phone number, that's hella
Nah,
number.
they gotta keep doing it because you can't see it over there.
Well, what the area code is?
Excuse me.
716 or
919-716-93993.
All right, Rob,
Call it.
I think Regina's calling.
See, look, they starting it over. They go to 7.
716-939-937.
5.
7 5.
Damn, this is tight. Are you guys getting it?
Whoa, calm down.
That ain't
Oh
it.
my God.
Not
this
really
is
that great.
It's just numbers in the sky.
Look at it. How's it
The
get like
only
that?
thing I'm mesmerized by is that the planes are doing this. Yeah, that's the only cool thing about it. Otherwise, I don't see it.
7 5 1.
Well, I can't see this.
Oh no, 510.
Oh my God, whoa.
Hold on.
That is so tight.
I might know this. Wait, 0. Let's call them. Someone call them.
Maybe they putting a bunch of phone numbers up here. Hey, call this bitch for a good time.
Look at that. That is so cool, you guys.
5 8.
Yeah, right, dude. You gonna dial the number?
Hell no. You'll catch me on what?
It's gonna be calls.
That's 0. 5 8 0.
582.
0.
My God, that is so neat. You guys, look at 209. Look at that's the belly right there. Oh my God, that is so neat.
So marvelous.
7.
Look at this. Oh my God, dude. Look at this. What's that? I took the camera with my shit. Yeah, look how it's parted now, though. That is so cool. Look at it. But look how it transformed. You know what I mean? Like it took that long for it to come in. That is so freaking cool.
They've been building some shit. Yeah, they've been building a skate bunker.
510
That's what I think it is.
582-0974.
You know, a long time ago they said it was supposed to be one in 2013. It said on the news. One day.
1999.
Nah, but they was talking about in 2013.
Oh my God, this is so gonna be on the news.
2013 was supposed to be that, right? They did this shit one time on the fucking national news like that. One fucking time, I never heard nothing else about it. And then they talked about it again on fucking. But they said that it went off. They said that it went off course. Yeah. So it's not going to hit anymore.
Hey, you guys drink?
But they
Yeah,
talked
it's
about
mine.
the
Hang
shit
on,
like-
Look, but how's it still doing that though?
Because you're
What's
playing.
it saying?
It's weird. They're really high.
Yeah, they're pretty high up here.
It's the aliens. It's the Mayans.
That's one of the first things I said.
Look, everybody's with their phones. Look at that. That's tight. Oh my God, I'm so glad I'm part of that.
No, this motherfucker was supposed to impact us.
This said it was supposed to hit the Bay Area.
What is?
2013. But they said it's all for it.
Now they talking about that solar flare. The solar flare from the sun is supposed to get out here.
That's the 2012 shit.
Yeah. I hope they ain't got
It's too hard.
Actually, well, I read lots of science journals and shit like that, and they said solar flares. No, I mean we're due for some big solar storms, but not the kind of shit that's gonna wipe out the Earth.
Oh no, they said that they got that at the peak of where the sun is right now. Not that electricity is the type of explosion that they're gonna be having. Yeah, it could. I mean, it's very remote chance of it happening.